Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Dodge Journey RT all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in Fathom Blue. It looks great. You do have your chrome accenting with your Dodge badging on the grille. You do also have your halogen headlights there with your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 19-inch rims with our tires. They look great. Lots of tread left on them. They'll be good for a while. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you've got your RT badging, you have your park sensors, your Dodge, and your Journey all-wheel drive. Opening it up just right here. Lots of room back here. This guy does open up as well if you did need the extra storage, and then you can fold this forward just by pulling this guy and pushing it forward. The other side does do the same, and then you got even more room. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for us. We don't have to go outside in the cold, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for us. Now, it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if it is locked, all you gotta do is put your hand in there, and it will unlock for you. Plus, you got the button there, if you did want to do it that way. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle, a handle here, and some storage. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. They are electric seats as well, so they do go backward and forward, as well as you got the tilt and lumbar support there. And then over here, we do have the controls over our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights there, and in-cabin light control here. And then up here, we do have the controls over our turning signals, high beams, and our windshield wipers, all right there. Okay, let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now in the center there, it does tell us how many kilometers we have, 34,000, not too bad at all. We do also have the temperature outside, which way we're facing, and we do have our vehicle speed. Now we can switch that around to our fuel economy, trip info. You also have your tire KPA, vehicle info, messages, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. And around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down with the source changer. Right in the center, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. It looks fantastic. You do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media player if you have one hooked up through your disc, USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. Control over your heated seats and heated steering wheel outlet, and you can turn the screen off. You got your climate control here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your rear climate control right up there. You have your phone options right here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and then you do have your settings right over here. Right down here, we do have our our hazard lights, AC, circulation, front rear defrost, as well as our traction control, volume up and down with the power, dual climate system, power, off, auto, and then your selector there. You do have your SD card slot as well as your CD player there. You got some storage here. You got your cup holders. Gear shift is right here. Looks great. And then in the center, you do have your armrest. It doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there. You can move that guy. And then you do have a USB and aux cord plug-in. And then right over here, we do have our locking glove box. Owner's manual is inside of it. And then up top, you do have your lights. You have your sunglass holder and your universal garage door opener. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door, you have that same chrome accenting. You have your control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks great in here. Very comfortable back here as well. You can fold this guy down. You do have an armrest with some cup holders if you didn't need the person in the middle. You can also fold these seats forward just right here. Then you do have access to the back. You got some cup holders as well as 2 seats, so it does seat 7 all together. You got your climate control back here, and you do have some storage just right there as well. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2014 Dodge Journey RT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.